It wasn't plugged in. Goofy, I'm goofy, man. So I'm gonna wait till the soldering iron heat up. Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video blog. On this particular episode, I will try and attempt to change the battery in my Wahl clothes shaver. Now, I love this shaver, okay? You see, it says on the label, super close. It really shaved super close. Now, out of all the years I've had this, the head is the only part that I had to replace, okay? So this is made out of, I guess, foil. And I really don't want to change shaver. Now, I bought the battery from batteriesplus.com. I bought actually two, okay, just in case one don't work. But I did my research and this is supposed to be the battery that powered this machine here. See this? It's NUN 1800-CSF, okay? Is 1.2 volts. So I'm gonna plug it in and this is what happens. Okay, it's on. So usually I'm able to still use this machine while it's plugged, but you see that? It's weak. The battery is weak, so I'm gonna try to fix it somehow, you know? You see? And it looks like I need to desolder here. And I think here. Okay. Honestly, it doesn't appear to be soldered on there. Guess I'm gonna have to just forcefully pull it. Yeah, same size. Hello world, so this is another day of me trying to replace uh, this battery here with the new one, okay? So I went ahead and ordered a few things from Amazon, which is a different solder wire. But I went and ahead and buy this because I feel like the solder is not sticking to the battery. Even so, I'm using a flux paste. Okay, so also I bought a wick, solder wick. I bought these pure nickel So instead of using these raggedy looking thing here, I went ahead and purchased this. So maybe this will stick with the solder on the battery. That's a bad, that's a poor job right there. But nevertheless, let's find out. So I'll put the link on the description where I bought this. This is a little thicker soldering wire or solder wire. And also I used a different soldering tip. Instead of the pointy tip, I use this flat and a little broader ironing tip. I think this is all I need because I don't need anything longer than this. I'll cut this in half. Okay, put some flux. It wasn't plugged in. Goofy, I'm goofy, man. So I'm gonna wait till the soldering iron heat up. All right, the battery died, so I'm just trying. So I went and switched the battery in the camera. Man, hey, scared the shit out of me. Hey, yo, wow. I no longer need this, so let me close this. And this is not good for your lungs, I heard. All right, so after quite some time playing around with it, I was able to make it work. So the key to this is the motherboard, the small motherboard. Okay, so I know I broke. There's like three pieces that are supposed to hold the motherboard or the circuit board, but it broke. So I put like I folded a few of these pieces and then put it on the side. Put it on the side here. You see that? One, two. So it'll pop up a little bit, and then this wire, this white wire, is the one that's pinning it down a little bit, because the circuit board needs to be touching the it's like four prongs in there, maybe more. It was like maybe a six prongs. Um, so the wire is holding it down, and also the nickel pieces holding it down, and that's how I made it work. So I came out. So I hope that'll do the job. The only thing now is to see if it charge. I hope it don't explode. God forbid. Oh shit. How the hell is it supposed to charge? It's not charging. The light is not on. Wow, that's a problem. It's supposed to charge. Bzzz. Why is it not charging? Alright, so I was just fooling around with these, and these somehow um, it's charging now. So, you know, I definitely respect the people who makes these, and the people who assemble them. I'll give y'all respect, man. This is one of the difficult things that I've done thus far. Okay, we're gonna go test it out. All right, so this is the test. Okay, so this is before. Okay, test this out. I almost forgot. You know, you gotta get some of these. Hope you can see that in the mirror. You know, see, close shave, and uh, it didn't change at all. You know, it still performed well. Just to let y'all know, I am not sponsored by this brand. Okay, I'm just vlogging about it because I want to share how well this machine perform, and I've used it everywhere, even when I travel overseas. This is a great machine to have. There you go. That's how I changed the battery in my Wahl shaver shaper. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any question, leave it on the comment box. So once again, this is ML from Kadirs.tv. Hello world, bye world, peace.